How often should you review your life insurance needs? Typically, you should review your life insurance policy and coverage at least once a year. Additionally, if you go through a major life change such as marriage or divorce, the birth or adoption of a child or grandchild, a new home purchase, or if you or your spouse experience significant changes in your health, you should review and update your life insurance policy. The answers to these questions may not seem clear immediately, but with a little consideration ahead of time and some guidance from one of our licensed agents, you'll be able to make an informed decision on the type of policy for life insurance that is right for you. You can also use our life insurance calculator to find out how much life insurance you need. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.